Hi everyone. Today I'm going to read you a story about birds. And I don't know if you have noticed, but I have noticed that there are a lot of birds flying around outside. And if you listen closely, you can hear different types of birds. So this story, it's called About Birds, and it is by Cathryn Sill, and it's illustrated by John Sill. And it's going to tell you all about birds. Okay, birds have feathers. This bird right here is a northern cardinal. Baby birds hatch from eggs. And this is an American robin. Some birds build nests on the ground. This bird is called an ovenbird. Some build in very high places. This is a bald eagle. And some do not build a nest at all. This is called a common murre. Birds travel in different ways. These are Canadian geese. Most birds fly, but some swim. Do you remember seeing ducks in Deering Oaks when we would walk to the playground? They'd be down in the pond. And others run. Birds may flock together or live alone. Birds use their bills to gather food. They sing to let other birds know how they feel. Birds come in all sizes. Birds are important to us. The end. So I hope you can go outside and see what you can find, see how many birds you can find, and different types of birds. Okay, have fun. Bye.